matter what your Datadog log management use case is, we want to make sure we have you covered. But we also don't want you to just hear about it from us. And now I'd like you to hear from one of our customers around how they're using Flex logs to deliver superior uptime and performance, all at scale. Let's hear the story of Okta.
Okta is the leading independent neutral identity company. Auth0 is Okta's developer-friendly platform for customer identity.
So if Auth0 goes down, this could potentially disrupt businesses by having them lose revenue, having customers upset because they can't log in to see the information and data that they rely on a daily basis.
With such a complex tech stack and having an uptime SLA of 99.99%, you can imagine that every second counts. Flex logs has been a game changer for Auth0.
Now that we have Flex logs, we have our logs in one single view. This has enabled us to have faster root cause analysis and incident resolution.
We have significant cost savings by consolidating metrics, logging, and tracing. And we reduce median time to mitigation with a great observability tool. With Gen AI technology, the security landscape will become even more sophisticated. Together with Datadog, we can address the evolving challenges and keep our customers safe.
Auth0 and Okta together are a great example of a software company evolving in the age of AI. And we're super lucky today to have the CTO of Okta, Bhawna Singh, here on stage to tell us more about how they're rethinking the identity landscape for Gen AI applications. Please help me in welcoming Bhawna.
Wow, it is exciting to be at this high energy Dash conference, right? I'm Bhawna Singh, CTO at Okta, the leading identity company with a vision to free everyone to safely use any technology. And as we see the tech industry evolving with AI, we are also working to make agent development and use of user identity by agents safe. And the reason we need to talk about securing AI agents becomes more important as we look at these stats. 82% of organizations are experimenting to deploy these agents in production environments in the next 1 to 3 years. And if you look at the stats on customer expectation, more than 60% of customers have stressed the importance of trust in AI agents. And personally, I believe that as more people understand the power of agentic technology, this number will only grow. So as these AI agents begin to act on behalf of users, answering questions, automating tasks, and making decisions on our behalf, establishing trust in these agents will be essential for their adoption and effectiveness. So who should build this trust? Well, you. If you are building AI agent applications, you are accountable. AI security starts with identity. As developers are focused on getting the agents to work, connecting them to data sources and integrating with APIs, a strong, secure identity platform can ensure that they are running in secure environments. Agents must be built securely right from the start and need to run securely from the first deployment. At Okta, we have identified 4 critical requirements where securing AI agent development is crucial to building Gen AI applications. Number 1, starting with authentication. For AI agents to operate securely, they must be able to authenticate users just like any other application. It needs to confirm who the user is before providing access or making decisions. Just as verifying a customer's identity before making a purchase or a patient's credentials before giving them access to medical records. Number 2 is API to API calls. AI agents will interact with different applications on behalf of users and will need API access to call these applications. Without strong identity controls, AI agents could access APIs they should not, or leak sensitive data to unauthorized agents, or be completely unable to perform tasks on behalf of users. This means access tokens should not be hard-coded. They need to be stored in secure vault. Number 3, another common use case we see is asynchronous workflows. Many agent use cases need them to work asynchronously. For example, actions such as data processing or transaction approvals can take minutes, hours, or sometimes even days. Security systems today are not built for built for long-running asynchronous workflows. So an AI agent might need to perform a task long after a session has already ended. So there is a need to authenticate just in time when agents have to act, without leaving the door open for attackers. And lastly, authorization. The need to fine-tune data access is more understood use case in AI agent development space today. AI agents should only get the permission that they need and nothing more. We identified these requirements after partnering and speaking with companies of all sizes and growth levels, and built these capabilities out of the box in our Auth for Gen AI platform, which is Okta's platform that makes it easy for developers to solve these requirements with built-in identity security for AI agents. As these agents are running, how will we ensure the agents are doing what you built them to do? Monitoring and tracking their behavior is the full circle we need to build this trust. Because if they access the wrong data, take unauthorized actions, or if someone hijacks your agent and changes their behavior, the impact can be immediate and irreversible. Secure identity and observability have always been important in our software stack, but it's even more so in today's AI agent landscape. That's why, in the age of AI agents, we need to treat identity and observability not as optional layers, but as foundational technologies and practices. Datadog and Okta are well positioned to enable customers to tackle these challenges that AI agents pose.